Hi there, this is video H7 and it's finding percent practice. So I think y'all should turn off the video and do all these questions. They're not terribly hard. Give them a shot. Because again, if all you do is watch me do the questions, there's no active learning. You've got to try. Math is not a spectator sport. I read that somewhere and it just makes me so happy. Yeah, I'm a math there. But anyway, try it. Then either A, check the answer key because you might not have to watch the video. Your answers might all be right. And if not, watch and figure out where the little problems are. If it's still not making sense, then it's let me look right in the camera. It's your job to seek out help, whether it's coming to me, going to another instructor, talking to the academic coach or tutor, whoever you need. But get the help so that you can get this done. All right, that's the end of my little rant. So let's do this. It says, so that part I do without thinking. It says what percent? Okay, X is going to go there. Of is there. And is on top. So this box is always the of. This box is always is, part and whole. And I do need to make up some questions where they don't use those two words. They're harder to make. It's very awkward. Anyway, solving our question. So 390x is 3,900 by 390. Okay, my brain says it's 10, but the little voice is going, are you sure? So today, yep, I'm using the calculator. What percent of 57 is 56? Okay, before I even do this, if 57 is the whole choice, and we have 56 out of 57, I don't know what the answer is, but it's got to be really close to 100, right? And that's the kind of things I want you to think of, is how close can it be? So this one, 39 compared to 390, that's really small. So, whoops. So 10% makes sense. Let's try this one. I'm going to guess 96%. I have no idea. Other than I know it's going to be close to 100. Now, of is down here. Is at the top. Whoopsies. So we do our cross multiply. So we go this way, and I write it. And I'm going to go this way, and I write it. And I know I could have wrote x times 57, but it's multiplication, so order doesn't matter. Divide by 57, 57, x. 600 divided by 57. Woo, I was wrong. It's 98.245, so 98% will do. Again, if you're just watching, pause the video, try it yourself. 58 is what percent of 320? Think of that compared to that, it's pretty small. I don't know. 20%? Rough guess. 100 in the bottom corner. You know what? So X, I don't know the percent. Ooh, 58 is what percent? I changed the order slightly, but you still got, this is your whole number. And this is the other number. And it doesn't follow what the word is, but it's close to the word is. So yeah, I'm still gonna go with the theory here. So we set it up for cross multiplication. Then we simplify. And now because this is 320 times X, we're going to divide by 320. And 5,800. Oh, you can't see it there. How about over there? There's, maybe. Looks a little fuzzy to me. 5,800 divided by 320. Oh, 18%. 18.125. I'm still looking for percent. Now, 450 is what percent of 800? So 800 is the whole amount that I have, and I have 450. All right. So if I look at those two numbers, 450 is more than half of this, right? Half of 800 is 400. So I don't know, but it's going to be more than 50%. I'm going to say 55%. So cross multiply. Okay, so 100 times 450, you just add 2 zeros on the end and you're good. $56.25, so 56%. All right, there we go. Turned it. Oh, word problem about Skippy. Skippy wrote a math exam with 45 questions. He got 25 questions correct. What percent of the questions did he get correct? Okay. And it goes there. And it says what percent, so the X has to go there. Now we got to figure out this part because it doesn't have the oven is. But Skippy wrote a math exam with 45 questions. That tells you how many questions there were on the whole exam. So 45 goes here and 25 goes up there. You know, now we're good to go. So 45x It's 2,500. $55.55555. So 56%. What percent of the questions did he get wrong? There's a lazy way. And then there's a more mathematically, excuse me, it's not more correct. So I'm going to show you two ways. Here's my lazy way. 100%, excuse me, is the whole test minus 56%. Which are the ones he got correct? That should be 44%. Done. All right. Or you could say that there's 45 questions minus 25 correct. Okay, 45 minus 25. That should, yeah, it's 20. So you got 20 questions wrong in his test. So then you can set it up like that. There you go. So on a test, I would mark this completely right. I'd mark this completely right. It doesn't matter. And I'd still give you full marks for both. So it's all good. What you could do, all right, if I was really, really paranoid on an exam, I would do this question. I'd probably do this. I'd go do the rest of the test and I'd come back. Or if I was trying to get some bonus marks out of my teacher, because, you know, maybe she's a nice person, you do extra work, sometimes you use a little extra bonus marks, like 5 out of 4. You could do this and this. And then at the side, I'd go 56% plus 44%. Gives me 100%, just reminding me, these are the ones I got right. Oh, sorry, Skippy got right. These are the ones Skippy got wrong. And they total up to 100, which is the entire test. So ta-da, there we go. Yet another video on percents. Have a spectacular day.